So hey everyone, this is Lori with Tough Chick Trucking, and today I am showing you an easy, healthy meal that I've prepared in my truck while driving actually. When I woke up this morning, it was pretty cold and I'm heading from California up to Washington State. I expected a long day of wet roads and cold temperatures, so I thought, what better than to turn the slow cooker on and have something delicious and smells good simmering in the truck while I'm driving, so that when I stop and it's dark and cold and rainy outside, I'm going to have this wonderful warm meal waiting for me. And then the leftovers can be chilled and eaten for breakfast or some other time of the day as like a rice pudding, which is my favorite part of this. What I'm going to show you here is called Breakfast Cure, and it's a pre-packaged, healthy, simple ingredients, easy to prepare meal that stores compactly in the truck, because we don't have any space in our truck for heavy canned goods, and usually we don't have refrigerators to keep things cool. So I'm always on the search for healthy foods that pack well, have simple ingredients, and are easy to prepare and affordable and delicious and support small business. So here you go. I've got my crock pot. It's been simmering all day since 3:30, 4:30 in the morning. I've stopped, and it is let's see, it's 8 o'clock my time, so it's 6 p.m. Pacific time where I'm at right now in Washington State. I have my bowl. It's right here waiting to be eaten. My maple syrup, which I like to use as a sweetener. And then this is the package that I'm trying today, masala chai spice. It came with a little package of coconut cream and some Assam tea, but that's caffeinated, and I didn't add that this time around because I didn't want to take the chance on having something caffeinated before I need to go to bed. Like I said, it's real easy to prepare and very affordable. I usually get 6 to 8 servings out of the package. It has everything you need except the water. You just open the packets, pour into your crock pot, add the water that's specified. I usually add a considerable more water as it simmers through the cooking period, because I prefer my porridge, rice porridge, to be a little bit on the runny side. I'll show you. It comes out much thicker if you just add the water that is in the directions, and I like mine a little bit runnier. Then when I have leftovers, I package them up in Ziploc bags and put them in my electric cooler, and then snack on them later on throughout the week. Nice little rice pudding dessert. So cheers, bon appetit, manja, whatever you say. Enjoy.